Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wings on piano. First, let's identify the core chords that form the song's foundation. We'll then break down the basic rhythm and the overall chord progression. Focus on comfortable hand positioning to ensure smooth transitions between chords. This initial step is crucial for building a solid base for your performance. Now, let's focus on the beautiful melody played by your right hand. Pay close attention to the individual notes and their phrasing. Simultaneously, coordinate your left hand to play the bass notes, providing a rich harmonic foundation. Remember to practice these sections slowly, ensuring each note is accurate and perfectly timed before increasing your tempo. To truly bring Wings to life, we'll explore dynamics. Vary your touch to create soft and loud passages, adding emotional depth to the music. Learn how to effectively use the sustain pedal to connect notes and enrich the overall sound. Practice these expressive elements in smaller sections, allowing you to refine your musicality and make the piece truly your own. Consistent practice is key to mastering Wings. Break the song into smaller, manageable sections, focusing on one part at a time before combining them. Always use a metronome to develop precise timing and a steady rhythm, which is essential for a polished performance. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including smart speakers to enhance your home. Keep practicing, and you'll be soaring with this beautiful piece in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.